gliding, we floating, it's all for the silence. We live, we learn, but we long for the silence. We gliding, we floating.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back in the junkyard. So I was looking for a G6, but I ran up on this Buick Lucerne. I kind of like these seats. There's two sets of seats I like. I kind of like that one. Almost has like that bucket style seats. Someone took the bottom out, so I just gotta take the top off if I want it. But I kind of like that. Door can't open, but it may be a little too big. But I like how that sit. But I'm gonna show you the G6. Now I'm gonna show you the other seats I kind of like. I'm just looking at Sunroofs seats, and I was looking for they used to have an 85 Caprice Classic, but that thing's long gone. But let me show you those other seats. So this is the other style. This is out of a Grand Prix, pretty much the GPs and GTPs. And I think the normal Grand Prix has these type of curves on the seat, and this one isn't really torn up, it's just dirty. The back seat's sticking in the back. I just gotta do measurements because I don't know, it looks pretty wide to me. If I did like a box Chevy or something, I think that's way too big. And then also the like Impala seats. But I like the Grand Prix, the curves in the Grand Prix more than this. And the back seats don't look that good. But really, I like that Buick Lucerne, the first one I just showed you. This is the back though. I don't know. I'm just getting ideas out here. But let's take a look at the G6. So the whole purpose was to come look at this G6. I believe it's a 2008. Yeah, 2008. This is seats in the 8. But no sunroof. That's kind of a bust. But I can see why people like these seats. These aren't bad if you want to rewrap them. Get them redone. But there's a few more junkyards I can hit and see what we find. I may go look in the truck section and see what engines they got. See if any more 5.3s or 6.0s showed up. So while I was walking, this is GTP I was talking about. This thing has a supercharger on it, or a turbocharger. Now it's a supercharger. But these are the first seats I've seen, and I just like how that look. I'm not really crazy about the headrest, but I like the back part where it curves out. I wish it curved in more, you know, to hold you in the seat. But I just like the shape of the GTP seats, the Pontiac seats. But alright, let's go to the truck section. We back. So I'm back in the yard, and I came across this. It's a Chevy Express 3500. I looked it up. It had the 5.7 in it. Someone ripped it out, but they left the transmission, and I can't tell if that's a 60 or 80E. Trying to look at the bolt pattern and trying to figure it out, but it looks kind of burnt up, so I don't know. So there wasn't that much out here really. It was that one, and then like a Z71 with a 5.3 that someone ripped out the injectors like they always do and cut the wires. But I might hit another yard because it's mostly Fords out here. Like majority is Ford right now, and I didn't really come for a transmission, but we'll see. So this is the Z71 I was talking about, and they do like they usually do, just cut all the wires. This one has A62 heads on it. Draw-by cable actually, right here. But someone opened them up. And all they left one injector and just ripped out the fuel rail. That's all they wanted, and that's why they cut the wires, because they don't want to spend the time to do it right. But yeah, I mean, that's all that's here is the Z71 and then the 3500. So basically this is the only 5.3 in this yard today, but I didn't come here for that. I came looking for that Pontiac, so I think we're gonna go to the next yard. It'll be a first for you guys to see. I have like 6 yards I can go to. Thinking about going to one like 40 minutes away. They have a 77 Delta 88 that I want to look at for the Caprice. But I'll be back.